How's everybody watching? And thanks for tuning in. This is George over here at Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency safety and strobe lighting equipment for cars, vans, buses, SUVs, bicycles, tricycles, pickup trucks, like our brand new 21 Ford F-150. Got new headlights, got new fog lights, got a new grille, got new side badges, got a lot of new stuff on this truck. What are you looking at? Well, you're looking at our auto flasher module. What's new? This is a no-cut install. That's right, no factory wires are cut to do this. This requires cutting nothing. You can flash your DRL in the headlight with one kit. You can flash your DRL in the fog light with another kit. If you prefer, you could flash the fog lights as well, the fog light proper, but I like the look of the DRL better. You can synchronize the two kits together to do an X pattern, as you see here, and you can do all that without cutting a single factory wire. Yes, you can, with the Wicked Warnings Auto Flasher module. Now, just above that, you can see we're running a 4-inch mpower just to supplement a little amber color into this mix and add a little bit more high-speed alternation. We set that amber white pattern on both sides. I believe it's called an inner cycle, and synchronize those together as well. Here's your killer side shot. I like the way the front of this truck looks. Awfully mean. I will say the headlights might look a little GMC, but otherwise Ford did a good job at least pulling that DRL down into the fog light finally. But again, a little Chevy there, but definitely looks good. And now don't anybody get excited, because I got a 2016 F-150 myself. I'm Ford to the core. I drive an F-150. I can poke fun at the new F-150 if I want. If you don't like it, that's that. Now, I see the new F-150 put some badges in the front fender. They must want to look like their older brother, the Super Duty. So they did a little F-150 badge. We had to put a light in it just to mimic what we do on the Super Duty. We found a 3-inch mpower, fits real nice in that badge. It's a 3M sticky mount. We didn't have to drill any holes in the badge. We did supplement the front mount in the grill and the badge mount with a little extra RTV silicone just to help it stick a little bit more. But duly noted, the front grill and the side badge has no holes drilled in it whatsoever for these installs as well. The 4-inch mpower in the front grill, stick mount. We use the adhesion promoter and a little bit of extra RTV from the backside. Same deal on the side badges. Side badges pop off nice and easy. We got a video on it. We're going to put all the links and all the information at the end of this one. I did take my time and took a lot of videos. Hopefully I showed you guys everything. If I missed something, hit me up right away and let me know. Here you can see that side badge from a little further back. It gets you a nice warning all the way back behind the truck on about a 45-degree angle from that front fender. Works out real good. I'm a big fan of it. Alrighty, what are we looking at out back? Well, you can see the Wicked Warnings Auto Flasher module. It's on the reverse. That's a factory LED reverse. That's kind of mandatory. It's not going to work on the regular light bulb reverse, but if you've got LEDs like this truck, you can use it. That's also a no-cut install. Yeah, you heard right. That reverse module, that auto flasher module by Wicked Warnings on the reverse circuit right there, installs without cutting any factory wires. Not one factory wire was cut. No factory wires were harmed in the filming of this video. Unfortunately, the cargo light just above it, that is still a cut. We have cut one factory wire for the cargo light. Until I devise a new method, right now, there's one single factory wire for the cargo light that you're going to trim. You're going to cut it in the passenger rear area down by the floor, and that's the only cut wire we did on this truck. But the reverse, the DRL, and the fog are all absolutely cut free. Now, right next to the license plate, you can see that 3-inch SoundOff mpower. It's the same light we used in the badge, same light we used in the grill, except the 3-inch version. The grill has a 4-inch version. They make that light in all colors, all combinations. It even does a steady flood white override. We didn't need to do that on this build. It wasn't requested, wasn't needed, but you can do that. And the mpower is a very versatile, very good light. You can available right now on wickedwarnings.com. If you need a custom color in an mpower, just give us a call. Obviously, we cannot change the factory color on any of these lights on the truck, but we can certainly supplement the lights that you see in the badges, on the bumper, and in the grill with any other color combo to fit your need, whether it be green or blue or red. You know, we can get them in all the different colors. I just got to show you this shot again because this is just mean looking. I like it. It turned out real nice. The DRLs top and bottom are just Very cool, if you ask me. I'm real happy with the way this 21 F-150 came out, and I'm most excited to tell you guys about the no cut. I had a lot of guys that really were waiting and hoping that we could do a cut-free system, and that's what we did here. So I hope you all love it. We're going to put these products right on wickedwarnings.com. Let me know if you need anything improved or changed. Obviously, we're growing. We're trying to do our best, these new trucks. So after you get it, make sure you hit us up and show us what you did and let us know how it is. And the last thing I'm going to show you is our switch installation on this particular truck. Alrighty, so we don't have a whole tremendous amount of new panels in these trucks, but we got a few, and we just wanted to keep it kind of simple here. Put a nice blue full lit switch so you can really tell when it's on. It lights up nice and bright blue. Put it right underneath the factory headlight switch. And you will notice on these trucks, last note is the headlights and fog lights, they do fall asleep after a little while. So in order to keep them active all the time, we can bump the parking lights onto parking mode, or we could leave the ignition forward. But the headlights in these new trucks, they're all computer controlled and they do fall asleep. So this won't be a key off, locked up, running for hours type of mod. This is key dependent or parking light dependent. So you can leave your parking lights on and that's only pertaining to the headlights and fog lights. The reverse and cargo works no matter what. But you can see that's where we got our switch. This headlight assembly pops out really nice and easy. So does the side panel here. So you got plenty of room to wire in your switch, a little 3/4 toggle. There's enough room for a couple of more. If you wanted to put more than one feature or function, you could. And there's a lot of room behind this panel for tucking away your wiring. So thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings here in Chicago, Illinois. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what I missed. Drop a comment. Show me off your truck. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. wickedwarnings.com